Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, and supporters. In this episode, I will talk about the EAT6 automatic transmission of the PSA OPEL FIAT STELLANTIS group. So to the point, the EAT6 efficient automatic transmission 6 gearbox is a 6-speed automatic transmission, often found in PSA group cars, PEUGEOT, CITROEN, DS, OPEL. It was designed to improve driving comfort, reduce fuel consumption, and reduce CO2 emissions. It is a design by the Japanese company Aisin AW, a world leader in the production of automatic transmissions, which is evidence of its solid engineering foundations. In which cars is it installed? The EAT6 gearbox is widely used in many car models, especially in PSA group vehicles. Examples include PEUGEOT 208, 308, 2008, 3008, 5008, 508. CITROEN C3, C3 Aircross, C4, C4 Cactus, C4 Picasso/Grand Picasso, C5 Aircross. DS Automobiles, DS3, DS4, DS5. OPEL, in some models after the takeover by PSA, e.g. Crossland X, Grandland X. It is worth noting that Aisin produces different variants of this gearbox, adapted to different engine torques. Advantages of EAT6. Smooth gear changes. EAT6 provides comfortable and smooth gear changes, which translates into high driving culture, especially in city traffic. Driving comfort. Thanks to automatic gear changes, the driver does not have to worry about operating the clutch and lever, which increases relaxation while driving. Fuel efficiency. Compared to older designs, the EAT6 is more fuel efficient thanks to optimized operation and a rigid lockup ratio similar to the overdrive function. Reliability. When properly serviced, Aisin gearboxes, including the EAT6, are generally considered reliable, provided they are regularly and properly serviced. EAT6 disadvantages. Kickdown response. Some users may notice a slight delay in the kickdown response, especially in lower gears. City jerking. In certain conditions, especially in stop-start city traffic, the gearbox can sometimes jerk slightly, especially if the oil is used up or if there are deposits in the valve system. Higher service costs. Compared to manual gearboxes, servicing automatic gearboxes is usually more expensive. Common faults and failures. Despite its general reliability, the EAT6, like any automatic gearbox, can suffer from some faults, often related to neglected maintenance. Jerking during gear changes most often occurs when changing from 5th to 4th gear or when starting off. This can be caused by oil consumption, deposits in the hydraulics, e.g. in the mechatronic slash valves, or where in the C1/C3 clutch basket. Sometimes a gearbox adaptation helps. Oil leaks. These can occur from seals or gaskets, leading to a drop in oil level and potential gearbox damage. Electronic failures. Faults in the gearbox control unit, TCU, or sensors can cause incorrect operation. Gear hunting. The gearbox may frequently change up and down gears, especially on hills, if the sensors do not read the torque demand correctly or if the oil temperature is unstable. Vibration/shaking. Judder may occur during slow city driving, often indicating oil consumption or problems with the torque converter. Downshift shock may be the result of a rapid increase in internal pressure in the gearbox, problems with solenoids, or improper adaptation of the TCM. Service and oil change. The key to long and trouble-free operation of the EAT6 gearbox is regular service, and in particular oil change. Oil change interval. Although some manufacturers, including Aisin, declare lifetime of the oil, this is usually a marketing term. It is recommended to change the oil every 60,000 kilometers or every 2 to 3 years, and in the case of intensive use, city driving, towing a trailer, even every 40,000 kilometers. Aisin even suggests changing it every 2 years or 20,000 kilometers. Oil type. EAT6 requires a special oil for automatic transmissions. Most often, This is an oil that meets the AW1, Eisenwarner 1, or Dextran 6 specification. Before buying, always check the specification required by the vehicle or gearbox manufacturer. Usually this is provided in the car's user manual or on the oil manufacturer's website. Examples of oils include Ravenol ATF TWS Lifetime, MOTO ATF6, Leaky Moly Top Tech ATF 1800, Total Energies Fluidmatic MVLV. Oil change methods. Static change. This involves draining the oil through the drain plug and pouring in new oil. In this way, only part of the oil is replaced, about 3 to 4 liters out of a total capacity of 7 to 8 liters. The rest remains in the torque converter and other gearbox components. This is a less effective method, but sufficient for regular oil refreshment. Dynamic replacement. This is done using a specialist device that pumps all the oil out of the gearbox while simultaneously introducing new oil. This is a more expensive method, but it ensures a complete fluid change. Oil filter. In most Eisen gearboxes, including probably the EAT6, the oil filter is located inside the gearbox and is not intended for regular replacement during oil service. It is only replaced during a major gearbox overhaul. Service tips. Regular visits to the workshop. Do not ignore any disturbing symptoms such as jerking, gear slippage, strange sounds, or leaks. Early diagnosis can prevent more serious and more expensive repairs. Gearbox adaptation. After changing the oil or in the event of certain problems with smooth operation, it is recommended to carry out gearbox adaptation using a diagnostic computer. Adaptation teaches the gearbox to work optimally with new oil or after resetting the parameters. Driving style. Avoid sudden starts, overloading the vehicle, and aggressive driving, especially on a cold engine and gearbox. A general driving style extends the life of the automatic transmission. EAT6 is generally a good and durable gearbox, provided that the owner takes care of its regular maintenance, especially oil changes. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and hear from you in the next episode. See you soon.